screwing push-up is where we really begin to work on three-dimensional strength within our push-up. So not only is it moving up and down, but it's moving out and in as well. So it's basically working this type of movement on the arm. So in the screwing push-up, it's going to require a little bit of practice, okay? If it's too difficult to do this on the ground, I suggest trying to do it against an incline, even against a wall, just to kind of get this motion where, as you'll see, you're starting in a regular push-up position, but you're rolling down to the elbow, down to the shoulder, and then back out to the top of the push-up position. So it's creating almost a spiral in and a spiral out for this movement, okay? So this is going to work. It's going to combine mobility, flexibility, strength, but it's also going to work the tensile strength of the tissues and really create a, like I said, a three-dimensional strength in the body for moving, for striking, for grappling, for whatever, but it's going to give you a greater degree of strength throughout that range of motion, okay? So what it looks like is you're going to begin in the top portion of a push-up position. And also, the other thing to note is that when you roll down to the elbow and then down to the shoulder, your hip does not touch the ground, okay? It's just your shoulder and your feet that are on the ground in the bottom portion of this exercise. So you're going to go here, you're going to roll down to the elbow, down to the shoulder, so hip is off the ground, down to the shoulder, and then you're going to rotate back out, exhale, to come up. So it's rotate down to the elbow, shoulder, back up. Give you a better angle on this exercise here. So. Okay, rotate in and down, rotate out and up for your screwing push-up. Enjoy this one.